Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could place crypto trades directly from your TradingView charts, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect your crypto exchange to TradingView and start trading live, right from your chart workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to execute trades, manage your positions, and keep an eye on your balances, all in one powerful interface without constantly switching tabs, apps, or devices. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a TradingView account. Now, this can be either a free or a paid plan. The connection features work on both. If you don't already have a TradingView account, just head over to their site and sign up. It only takes a couple of minutes. After you're in, make sure you're also set up with a verified account on whatever crypto exchange you use. Some big names you might have are Binance, Bybit, OKX, or Kraken. Verification just ensures that everything's secure and you can actually trade live. If you're not quite sure about your verification status, it's a good idea to double-check that with your exchange before going further. It can save you a headache later on. Now let's move into TradingView itself. Pull up any chart, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you're tracking right now. Then scroll your eyes down to the bottom of the TradingView interface. You're looking for a tab labeled Trading Panel. Go ahead and click that. Don't worry if you don't spot it right away. It's easy to miss since it sits below the main chart area. This panel is important because it's where TradingView lets you integrate with a wide range of brokers and crypto exchanges. Think of it like the hub where all your trading tools plug in and start talking to each other. Next, look for your exchange in the list TradingView supplies. You'll see options like Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, OKX, and Kraken, among others. It's always good practice to double-check you're clicking on the official integration, so just take a moment to make sure you've got the right one. Once you've found it, hit Connect. If you're someone who likes to compare multiple exchanges side by side, this feature can be a real game changer since it supports lots of platforms in one unified place. When you click Connect, a pop-up window should appear asking you to log into your crypto exchange account. Here, where security matters, you'll need to securely enter your login credentials and in most cases, complete whatever two-factor authentication you have set up. At this stage, TradingView will ask you to authorize access through your exchange's API. Don't worry, this is normal and safe provided you're using the official channels. The API simply lets TradingView talk to your exchange account, so you can view balances, see order history, and of course place trades. Once you've authorized it, you'll notice your current balance shows up right inside TradingView, which is reassuring because you always know what you're working with. Now you're all set to start live trading. You'll see buy and sell buttons right on your chart, super convenient, right? You no longer have to jump over to your exchange interface to place orders. And here's one of my favorite features. You can actually drag and drop your stop loss or take profit levels visually right on the chart. It feels a lot like adjusting sticky notes on a board. Just grab, move, and set them exactly where you want. And don't worry, any orders you place here are instantly synced back to your actual exchange account, so everything stays in sync with your trading strategies. There you have it. You're now ready to trade live through TradingView, all in one smooth, powerful workspace. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you run into any hiccups or if you have questions about a specific exchange setup. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto, trading, and platform tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.